In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the AutoRecover settings in Microsoft Word to better suit your needs. This feature is an invaluable tool that can help save you from potential data loss, particularly in situations where your document might not have been saved regularly. By setting an interval that works for you, you can ensure your work is preserved as often as necessary within the application. Let's start by launching Microsoft Word. Once Word is open, you'll want to direct your attention to the top of your screen where the menu resides. Here, you'll find the File tab. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a new window displaying a variety of options available to you. Within this section, you'll want to scroll down and select Options, which is typically found near the bottom of the list. Clicking on Options brings up the Word Options dialog box. This is like the control center of Word, where you can customize your settings to optimize how the program functions according to your personal preferences. To make the necessary adjustments, you'll look at the left side of this dialog box and select Save. The Save settings contain several important features, but today, our primary focus is on the Save Documents section. Here you'll find an option labeled Save AutoRecover Information Every Minutes. This setting determines how frequently Word automatically saves a copy of your work. Right now, it might be set to a default value that doesn't quite match your needs. In this section, you'll notice a blank space next to Every, where a number indicates the current frequency of those autosaves. To modify this to better fit your workflow, simply click on this number and enter your desired interval. For instance, if you prefer frequent backups of your ongoing work, you might choose to enter 2 for every 2 minutes. Alternatively, if you find a bit more space between saves to be less disruptive, you could opt for 5, 10, or even longer if that suits your work pace. Adjust to the interval you're comfortable with. Once you've entered the number that best serves your needs, it's important to confirm your selection. Do this by clicking the OK button, which is usually located at the bottom right corner of the dialog box. By doing this, you're ensuring that your changes are saved. These new settings will now take effect immediately, safeguarding your documents accordingly from this point onward. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have now customized the AutoRecover settings in Word to automatically save your progress at your preferred interval. This small adjustment can make a significant difference in keeping your work intact, particularly during unexpected interruptions or crashes. Remember, setting your AutoRecover settings correctly can offer peace of mind, so you can focus on creating and editing without the looming worry of data loss. Happy writing, and until next time, keep those documents safe and secure.